Unoi alam kaliang persya kayeng dorbar thawaan Khubor Dr. Mukul sangma ulabu jing Kylli hayeng dorbar halor ka jing Slem Palat ban pendep ya ka Engineering College ha Ampati. Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Khubor rakam sangma ha juba pula Khubor bakadai ka jing shisha bakani ka projek kala Slem Palat. Uong ru baka sorkar kala dep betha ya kontraktor ban penstet ya ka kam ban pendep no ya ka.
It's question number 69. Sri Rakhame Sangma, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Speaker, sir. Sir, reply to question number 69, sir. So, the physical progress of civil work construction is 25%. B, sir. So, total expenditure till that is 15 crore.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, your supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I tried to also find out why this project was getting delayed. There are certain issues because of the location, the approach road and other things. Whether in view of this undue delay, the department has taken cognizance of the factors and is trying to resolve these challenges so that this project can be implemented and be commissioned over a reasonable period of time.
Speaker, so we would like to thank the LO for raising this issue, sir. It is true, sir, it's almost 7 years now. The project got delayed. So the problem is rightly pointed out by our Honorable LO. The location, number one, was the problem because we have to change, I think, 3 to 4 times to the different location site. And so number two, sir, the progress of work of the contractor was very, very slow, and he has abandoned the work. But taking into account, sir, the implementing agency, that is PW, they are very aware of this situation, and has been written to the contractor 7 times. And so in the last month, that is 5th of August, the concerned contractor has replied to resume the work at the earliest, and he has committed to complete the work at the earliest. Yes, sir. So, as far the department is concerned, we are trying our best to complete the project at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as a state, when we represent a state and are in different parts of the country, different parts of the world, trying to attract investment, etc., it's very embarrassing sometimes. I mean, not sometimes. When we are confronted with this kind of questions, how many engineering colleges do the state has? Yeah. It's a very difficult situation in this era when our children are ready to, pursue this kind of professional courses of education. Look at Andhra Pradesh, how they have leveraged upon their human resources. Go to Boston, USA, you will see maximum from Andhra Pradesh, all with engineering degrees, in view of the fact that job spaces within the country is limited. So therefore, I think we did embark upon this initiative to have number of engineering colleges in Shillong and in Garo Hills, also in Jaintia Hills. Where are we? I think we have to see that at least these institutions come up and are commissioned. So despite the challenges, can I expect an assurance from the Honorable Minister and the government that on a war footing manner, we will take up these projects. Not only this Engineering College of Ampati, but other engineering colleges also, including College of Architecture and Urban Planning. These are institutions which will enable us to tie up with various industries. Institutions are required. Universities are required. That's why, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think as having, meaning I don't have to enlighten the Honorable Chief Minister. He understands the magnitude of the importance of these institutions because we are looking for drawing investment, somehow attracting partners. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think the government must be categorical in its response that on a war footing manner, we will see that these projects come through.
Speaker, sir, it is As Honorable LO is pointed out, it's true, sir. Our state has like such a technical institutions and colleges, sir. So therefore, sir, be it a Shillong Engineering College, be it a state university, as rightly said, be it a Ampati Engineering College and CIUP, sir. So we have tried our best. And fortunately, sir, we could start the engineering college Shillong from this year. So the point has been noted as I want to issue the house, sir. So we will definitely work with a work-footing manner to complete the project, this particular Shillong Ampati Engineering College at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are always tempted to say that we have tried our best. We are trying our best. If best is giving us this kind of outcome, then it is not yet best. So with this assurance, I can also expect the assurance to commission and start the Shillong Engineering College as well, though it is not part of the principal question.
Speaker, sir, with Shillong Engineering College, the classes already started, sir.
When was it inaugurated?
Sir, if you talk in inauguration, the infrastructure building was inaugurated in 2023. I have that wrong, sir. Exact date is not in 2023. So, but in view of some observation of deficiency, and in view of the pending approval of the NCTA, sir, we couldn't start in 2024. But fortunately, sir, we have received the approval to start the course in 2025, and this August, we have already started the classes for Shillong Engineering College.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I put this question categorically because we are not invited. So may we expect that whenever such important, see, engineering college, the first engineering college in the state, and we are not invited. I am a little bit aggrieved, Mr. Speaker, sir. So in future, I think it should be an endeavor of the government that please invite all of us so that we can share the joy of the initiative, because anything that has been initiated by any government, we have to carry it forward. It's a continuity of our responsibilities to fulfill the aspirations of our people.
Sir, if it makes the Honorable LO feel any better, even I wasn't invited, sir. So the inauguration of the building was done. We were keen that the classes should start. So the classes have started, sir. So we have not done a formal kind of inauguration of the thing, because what is important is the classes should begin. So therefore the building was inaugurated, but we didn't get the NCTA approval. That's why the delay was there. But the formal launching with classes and students, that has not been done, sir. Even I, as I said, I have not been invited for that, sir. Just to but yes, sir, we will, Honorable Minister is mentioning to me, we will do a nice program. And as correctly mentioned, it is actually a very happy moment, I should say, for the state, a proud moment for the state, that the first engineering college of the state has started. And yes, so we will ensure that everybody should be invited to that program.
Srimati Miani, Dishira, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we can see that there has been a lot of delay, almost 7 years from the time of sanction of the Ampati Engineering College. So therefore, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the estimates has been revised, because since there's been so much of delay, if the estimates has not been revised, then again further delay might be there. So just wanted to know from the Honorable Minister whether this has been considered.
Speaker, sir, so on the light note, I was also not been invited for the first class. Sir, with that question, sir, no, sir.